Well, it's race day, and Cletus has rented the track for us. We got this place all to ourselves. Those guys are out there prepping it already. We got the cold truck and the Prelude all set up. Andrew's out driving around, kind of getting worked out. It's still super early in the morning, but man, we're out here doing it. This is amazing. I can make a bunch of hits, figure out what's going on with the truck, and maybe I can get it dialed in. We can hope. Look at that girl coming. Let's zoom in there. Yeah, there she is. Good morning, man.
Good morning. Just took a shower in the bathroom.
Took a shower, had a nice little morning drive.
Yeah, it felt great.
It sounds so good.
11 pounds.
Woo.
Start off with.
It's a nice place to start.
It's getting easier to getting in and out of this thing.
Yeah.
I know the tricks.
Go for a cruise and charge your battery up.
That's it.
Yeah. Make sure it shifts.
Yeah, exactly.
It'll idle now though too. Does it shift better now?
Oh yeah, night day.
Like a dream?
Yep.
That's great to hear.
Great.
That's great to hear.
But it went into all the gears just on a cruise.
That's great.
Yeah, it's awesome.
No more fighting.
Yeah, it felt straight, so just check the tire pressures. And then, yeah, we'll get set to go.
Heck yeah.
Should be awesome.
Oh, it'll be great. Well, I thought Brent did this, but I just told him and he had never noticed it yet. Somebody put valve caps on it. Alright, you got it all plugged in?
Got it all plugged in.
We'll load you up a go fast too.
Back to the new shit.
About to make the first run.
About to make the first run.
Getting strapped in.
Strapped in, hold on. She runs good. Shifts good.
What's the best pass so far?
15 crate.
So you're going for 11s? 11.9?
A to B.
A to B.
12s.
I like it, I like it.
Alright. I can just make it down the track safely. Have some fun. I mean, my safe's different than other people's safe.
Figured that one. We all know what your safe is.
And my neck collar. Shock collar.
I think it's in the truck.
Don't let me wear it upside down this time.
Where people
These
making fun of
two
you.
bugs have been mating on the windshield for the last 5 minutes.
They're called love bugs.
They're called love bugs?
That's what they are.
They're getting down. They've been getting down for a minute.
What's up? Yeah.
Alright.
Where you?
That's where he head bumps it.
Well, let's go. I'm gonna start that GoPro.
Got you, bro.
I'm gonna go light some fires.
Spin the tires, lighting fire. saved you. He wanted to backwards pit maneuver you.
Smokes, Leroy.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
Damn.
He was getting it.
That was really well.
Dude, that was good.
That was first pass.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, 12.5, 102.
Not bad.
Yeah.
He's with Cooper's wagon on the 60-foot.
That thing gains very little back half mile per hour.
No, no, that all motor life.
Damn. Shifted smooth. It looked good going down.
Pretty smooth, yep. She's a little more power, but she's feeling good.
Oh, you don't even know what you ran.
I have no idea.
I forgot that you can't. Oh, so who got the ticket?
I don't even
Jamie.
know.
Hey, did you grab the ticket? Oh, I mean, I ain't gonna tell you. You're already happy.
It felt good. I'm ready to go again. I just want to keep going. Like, who wants a turn? Kyle, you ready? It's a blast. It's so easy to drive.
I guess that's why. Well, it's the only running car. They used to using this thing at Honda, and the Prelude won't start right now.
Yeah, me and Brent are sharing ECUs right now, so
Sorry about that.
it's you don't have to be sorry. It's your ECU.
Man, it's ripping.
Bro, it sounded good.
Savage.
I'm savage.
Does it go pretty straight?
Oh, it drives like a Cadillac. It's like nothing.
Like a Cadillac.
We definitely need to
He
let
said
the-
like a Cadillac.
We need to let the air.
You want your slip?
Cadillac. It's like nothing. We definitely need to let the, we need to let the air down so I can spin real hard coming out.
You matched Cooper on the 60-foot.
Woo! 1250.
Look at the mile an hour too.
Yeah, we need to get that some air out of the back tires so we can get that 330 down.
1.7 ain't bad though.
1.7?
Yeah.
Sorry, it spun really hard.
Oh
too.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah, that's fun.
That was good.
I was so excited I zoomed like crap.
I gotta go.
Hey, we're A to B.
Yeah.
Got all the gears.
Oh, it sounded great with the shifting. Did you even touch the clutch?
That was a good time, man. Oh yeah. No, that was all clutch, so we still can try clutchless to get it down a little more. So
Oh, you got it.
Have you tried the clutches on this?
everyone's driving today, so we need to get our acts together and let's start ripping.
All right, let's lower the
Well, grab a tire pressure gauge. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Then Emilio and then Kyle are driving this.
Okay.
You're next on the list, brother.
All right.
Lower these things down. Let's
I
go.
wanted to get that kill shot. Can you even say that?
So 2 at 104.
Yeah, that was nice.
That was sweet, dude.
12.2. He clutch picked it in the beginning because
It picked the tire again. Man, look at this weird mixture of cars here today. We've got everything.
But it was fun. Looked like you're all over the track. I think you pulled the wheels again.
It did 12.2 at 104.
Alright, it's getting faster.
Yeah.
With that launch?
You picked him again. You picked him again, I think.
I'm gonna get that 11, dude.
Oh, it's going 11s.
Who's gonna go 11s first? Give me what are you, 3?
1.6 to the 60 foot.
Yeah.
Almost a 1.5. 1.60.
You clutch kicked it again, huh?
Yeah.
That's really good.
My bad.
That's sick. 4.9 to the 330.
Yeah. You nervous, brother?
A little bit.
It's been a while, huh?
Yeah.
It's nice little private test, so you can kind of do whatever and take it easy. You know, if you're not comfortable, just sit there. We'll wait. Pretty excited to watch you go, though.
Jamie's always ready.
You're a driver, though. I mean, you drove us almost all the way here. Drove it around the whole time here. So it's just like that, except going straight. Here we go, man.
You ready, bros? Oh, whoa, whoa.
And he said I was the wild man. Damn!
You're shifting no clutch or with the clutch?
I don't know if he's on the clutch or not on that one.
Sounded like some no clutch shifting to me.
It's Jamie, so it's still possible too.
So he was just in there, next gear, next gear.
They picked the tire up just a little bit, and like just.
He definitely was.
He was on the verge of bogging.
He was a little less aggressive on the lead, unlike you. You're
Yeah, I know.
limiter. I see you got a switch in there, turn the limiter off. You got going on.
That's hilarious. Good job, Jamie. That was wicked, man. 12.3 on his first hit. 12.3 on his first hit. Let's look at that thing.
169, 60 foot.
Dang, 4.9 at the 330 again. Who's going the 11? Dun dun dun.
I'm next.
Are you the Stig? Are you the Stig?
Let's see.
Here he comes. After that rip.
I loved it. I didn't use the clutch.
I don't even know what I launched it at either. I just kind of...
Yeah, he just RPM'd it. It was on the verge of bog. It just picked up and then left. And then the VTEC cracked. You could hear VTEC cracking first and then it took off. It was wicked. Nice work, brother.
That felt good.
Emilio's doing the tire pressure, getting it set up. We got our own little Boostedboiz challenge of who can make the truck run the fastest.
Excited, dude.
It's pretty awesome.
12.2, you're holding the record right now.
Yeah.
Oh,
We're gonna see who can make it into the 9s first.
the 9s?
Yeah.
Dang. And the 8?
No, 11. See who can get to 11s first.
What about the plate?
Yeah, stretch before I get in here, dude. Whoa.
Oh, easy on her.
Oh.
Should be there today.
Think you're gonna beat their times?
I'm gonna try. Right now the
Gotta
record's
beat mine.
12.2 and Jamie's at 12.3. I like going after Jamie because he lets the seatbelts open up.
We got the big man
Need
challenge
that.
here.
Weight reduction.
Yeah. We're gonna hit the gym one night.
Great.
that's cool as shit.
12.7. All right, so he's third.
That's so cool. He was just ripping those gears. He didn't have much of a launch. I just stay rev like that.
I don't know. What do you think?
I don't know, bro. She felt good. I short shifted it in a second, and then I clutched it in second and forgot it was clutchless, so I just threw.
Yeah,
fourth.
third and fourth
Third
sounded
and fourth.
great.
Yeah. I don't know. 12.5.
Close. 12.7.
12.7. Yeah, the beginning was. It felt fun though, dude.
Oh yeah, it's a blast.
So now it's Kyle. Kyle's got to try to run the 11, or
I've never even sat in this thing before.
Hey.
Yeah,
It's
this is
all
the first time I sat in here too, bro.
This is how it works.
I moved it once. I think
Trial
that's
by
it.
fire.
It felt great though.
Yeah, just like shit.
Tighten this thing. I'm not Emilio says.
Oh.
Oh, we all know that.
I don't know if that's an insult.
Your stick. Not a stig.
Stick, not
I like how we're doing that all day.
See about that.
We'll see about that, Crew
Did you ever drive a Supra?
No, I've never driven a dog box on that
Then
one.
your own? Okay.
Well, here you go.
Well, good luck. You don't really need the verse, so.
Yep, that's reverse. And then over, first, second, third, and then fourth. That's it. Done.
Lesson over.
Lesson over.
There's no fifth, so you don't have to worry about that.
Lesson over.
There's
Here's
no
your helmet.
two-step.
With a shift knob.
It would help. I've been
What?
turning up my hands pretty good. It had a shift knob for a minute, but the screw vibrated out. Less than a
Loctite.
minute.
Loctite would have been good.
Yeah, extra super Loctite. Hey, has Kyle ever driven a rear-wheel drive car?
Not like this. He's never driven a dog box like this either. Two.
1.6 what?
166, 60 foot.
Oh,
He did not get a 330 time. He's too busy riding a wheelie past it. And then
So 1.66, 60 foot.
12.2 at 102.
Yours is 104.
I know. I got my work cut out for me.
Damn.
We're gonna get this 11.
Yeah, I feel it.
We got to.
We'll go run around the block.
Well, so far you're the one killing us.
Yeah.
We're gonna get that average up.
It's cool. That was my first time driving it. I took it easy on your truck. Now I'm not.
You're a driver, team man. Team man.
What was that?
Pretty rad.
12.2.
Hell yeah.
Just like Brent.
You're moving.
Well, you might have
You might have been a little faster because that's
Just barely
12.2.0.
I did a 1.6 60 foot too.
That was awesome.
I know for everyone saying I can't drive, it's just my car's a kind of piece of shit, you know?
That was awesome, man. Yeah, I heard when it was going, he's like, man, he's in it. He's going.
Did you use the clutch?
Nope.
To launch it.
Badass. Yeah, this thing seems like a freaking wild horse.
His 12.2's in my glove box. Oh,
12.27.
12.27. Put them next to each other.
700ths.
He got you a mile an hour.
What's Brent's?
12.27.
Yeah,
And I out 60 foot him.
12.1227, and I went
330 was
12.20. It's that extra 10 pounds you got on it.
Now go get your own car. We'll see how you do in the crowd.
So the Empanada King's got me a special empanada. What's that one called?
It's a pizza empanada.
A pizza empanada. Woo!
Homemade pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese.
They don't call you the Empanada King for nothing. Visit Florida, this is the guy to find. It's the best.
Thank you.
Man, they gotta find that merch. Get some of those Empanada King t-shirts. God dang! Just pump them once, pump them a couple times, they come up. You know the deal.
What happened to the piston? Shift knob.
You wouldn't believe it, but driving from where I was with it tight to the back of the shop, the screw vibrated out and it was lost.
You would never think anything to shake out of this.
No, not at all. I wish I'd have put Loctite and super glue on it, and I will once I get home. I can't wait to see you go, bro. Kill it, man. So we got Cletus in the coal truck. This ought to be awesome. He's got all that clutch footwork down. This is wild. I will, brother. I will. was sick. That was so good. Let's see that thing.
1.5, no 330 again.
The 330 comes and broke. Did 750 at 88.
That 1.5.
155.
He was crushing it, man.
Yeah, that's where it came from. It came
Probably
from the 60.
shifting too, not used to like.
That was so sweet, though.
Coming back.
It's a blast to drive. I'm telling you, you have to drive it, James.
Yeah.
It's just too fun. Yeah, that's
Maybe
fine.
this one will hold up.
It'll hold. I have no fear.
Get in it.
There it goes.
Put your helmet. Get in. Yeah, someone had no fear last time, and you seen what happened.
Hey, that's all right. That's okay. They break, we fix them. Do it again. I'll still put you in it. That was sick, man.
That was sick.
That's an experience. Where'd that go?
Oh, baby. Dude, right there, dude.
Where'd it go?
Where's the slip?
It felt like a 12.
Oh, what?
12-0. It's right on the edge, bro.
Are you trying to get an 11?
Yes.
Can I run it again?
Yeah.
All right, let's go bog this thing.
Let me check something.
You using the clutch? Go ahead.
Hell no, I ain't using the clutch.
Okay.
This is America.
America.
That's the fastest pass so far in the truck, though.
Yeah, Bobby.
Beat us all. We're going again. He's ready to try to get that 11.
He had it.
It was going too.
What's that front half look like? 7.5 to the 8.
Mile an hour was the same, but it was a 56 instead of a 50 flat.
What was the 50 foot?
158 instead of 155.
Yeah, a little slower.
Yeah.
Dang.
I want to go again.
It's so fun.
He'll go until he hits it. You need,
All of us will.
you need to go next.
It's so sick.
I went last, so you know now I get to go first. I think.
No,
it
he-
goes-
If you're not first, you're last.
Oh, now that this is a new bar set, Kyle's like, I gotta go first.
All of us, yeah, we're all chomping at the bit.
I think I yanked the shifter off its rocker because all of this is third gear, and then this is fourth. I guess I might have messed it up. Might need to be adjusted again. Whatever. What an amazing vehicle, Brent. This thing is epic.
Well, guys, that was a successful day. It was a blast watching everybody just blast the truck down the track. Such a good time watching Kyle fly and Jamie fly and Emilio fly and Cletus fly. This close to 11s. This close. But it gives me something to shoot for because, you know what? They all went clutchless. I haven't yet. So, it gives me something to shoot, you know, hope for. And I'm going to have to try to do it at a mile high, which would be even an extra challenge. Well, that's going to close it out. Appreciate you guys watching. And,
I need Brent.
did you put the red caps on it?
On what?
On the truck.
Did.
I knew it was you, bro. I freaking knew it.
They're great.
It's a nice touch. I was like, it had to be Cooper because he's the one that would think of that. So
There's it on my desk. I was like, this is perfect.
it actually is perfect. It was a nice touch, brother. Thank you. Appreciate it. and we're taking off. So
Dang.
gonna miss you, man.
Man.
Can't wait to see you
We'll be
again.
up in Denver.
Catch up. Yeah, soon enough. We'll see you.
We'll be there.
Oh!
I'm just driving Denver. I'll be right back.
Right on, man. Cooper's such a good friend. Look at these. Look at those. Isn't that cool? On all the wheels. That's a good friend.
Support.
How are you? Thank you. Love dog. For real.
Thanks so much for coming.
Thank you.
See
Way too
ya.
awesome.
Nice to see you soon.
Yeah,
Actually, next time I'll see you, I'll be in Denver.
I know.
So-
we're gonna have to line a car up and we can have the driver's race.
I know. I gotta see the. Well, we gotta do front wheel drive next time, and we'll see the shop. We haven't seen the shop yet.
I'm so stoked.
But,
so stoked for you to see it all.
Freaking epic having you guys in town. You guys are staying for a little bit.
Yeah, we'll be hanging out for a bit.
Cool. All right.
All right.
See you when we see you, brother.
See you.
Yep, take care.
Love you too.